Hello, welcome back to our vlog. It's Feb 15, 2026, another Sunday afternoon and really nice weather here in Surrey, British Columbia. Yes, so another family day. So today, magko-cross kami ng the new Pattullo Bridge. Bagong bridge, they opened yesterday, Feb 14. So they name it Stal Bridge. So in English, it's RiverView Bridge. So dadaan kami ron, papakita namin kayo at samahan nyo kami. Okay, see you guys! Okay. Yeah. So inaantay namin si Kuya. Ayan, ayan. Nandito si Jodie, and my favorite daughter, Alexandra. Inaantay namin si Kuya RJ. Okay, see ya. So we're waiting for Kuya outside. Kaya lang, pinagsarahan na kami ng gate ni Alexandra. Kaya, pipindit. So yan, dumating na si Kuya. Pinick up kami. Say hi guys. Hi. Ayan si Kuya RJ. Ayan, pick up kami. So may fish kami ngayon. Ayan. Ayan. Hi Kuya, how are you? Pogi. Kuya, hey, I'm here. Stal now open, so we're going there. Hi, Alan. Hi. Hey, Alexandra. There you go. So we're entering the Stal Bridge. This is connecting to from Surrey to New West, right? So one of the major artery going to Burnaby, New West, and Vancouver. So this cost 1.6 billion, and they built it Feb of 2021, I believe, right? So it's Feb 2026, Feb 14 when they open it. So it takes them 5 years to build this bridge. Look at that. See, right? And most people are walking there, right? The old Pattullo Bridge. Look at that, no ma? See it? Nice. It looks like hindi yan pala magrarally, anak, no? Hindi yan pala magpipikit. Look at that. So this is a cable bridge, right, Kuya? Cable bridge. So it's 4-lane. See? And this is the Fraser Valley area.
There's the name.
Yeah. So same as like, the Portman Bridge. You can see the name from there. Stawlawasam. So in English, it's a RiverView Bridge. It's an indigenous name. Stawlawasam. It's nice. Look at that, no? This is where your taxes go. Amazing. And that's the old Pattullo Bridge, right? And we're walking there later. So this is connecting to New West. This is New Westminster already. So yeah, it's more I think higher than the old Pattullo Bridge. So we're exiting Royal Columbia Avenue. Royal Avenue. There you go. Galing na anak na. So 5 years in the making. Stawlawasam Bridge. I was so amazed how they keep the same thing here, no?
Yeah.
Without the old Pattullo, right? Look at that. We're walking to the old Pattullo Bridge. So they gonna tear down by Tuesday. So this could be the last 3 days we're gonna walk from that bridge and see the bridge.
A bit further out. I'm just gonna.
Are you ready to walk now? Ready, Alexandra? Hi. Ready to walk?
Yes, let's walk. The old Pattullo.
The old Pattullo Bridge, yeah. So ano na to? It's gonna be like a once in a lifetime chance, right, Kuya?
Yes.
before they tear it down. Yan. Ayun o. So it's a good walk. Today is Feb 15, 7 degree but still tolerable.
7 degrees.
Lamig ba? Pero okay lang. Compared naman sa
For me.
minus 2 digits somewhere in the prairie or northern part of British Columbia. No? Diba? Oh.
Best.
No best.
Mr. BC.
Ayun guys, ang dami naglalakad ngayon kasi we gonna have a nice weather. Hey, see the old Pattullo from here. Ang ganda oh.
Ang ganda.
Ganda oh. So you can see the old and the new one.
I need my photo.
No? It's amazing. It's a good walk guys. Kasi tomorrow it's gonna be all rain. And it's holiday tomorrow, it's a family day. Run Forest run. Run Forest run. Run Forest run. See guys oh. Nakakamiss din yan. They built this 1937, the old Pattullo. So 89 years. Diba? Tagal din no? Ang laki na nang na-contribute niya sa community during the time of 1900s naman. Yeah. Kaya lang populated na ang New West at Suri, so we need to yung bridge na to pag 1900 eh. Kaya hindi na siya capable sa dami ng tao ngayon. Okay. Tignan nyo guys oh. It's only 2 lane each here. Imagine yan oh. Sa dami ng tao rito sa Suri and New West, isa to sa mga artery itong old Pattullo na to. Imagine mo nakasurvive kami. Grabe, maraming na-accident. Marami na rin na-accident rito namatay kasi nga sobrang liit no? Ayun oh. So this is the SkyTrain Bridge no?
Sky Bridge.
Sky Bridge yeah.
The old one, the old Pattullo, and the new one.
So this is the old Pattullo.
The RiverView Bridge.
Yeah. So you're gonna see this for another 3 days from now, and this gonna be not open for public on Tuesday. So we're lucky to walk here. I think it's a milestone kasi hindi ka naman naglalakad dito, di ba? Di ba?
Never.
You never walk here?
It's the first and last time.
Ang ganda ng view rito guys oh. Parang gagawin mo rito commemorative eh no? No? To commemorate. Ganda ng ano south.
Wait for the sky.
Guys, 1.6 billion ang cost ng bagong bridge na Wasam. Ayun o. Amazing. Train o. So that's going to Suri na. So ito yung Fraser River. So ito yung Fraser River guys. Kita mo yung tren no, liit. Pero ang ganda talaga ng British Columbia no. Oh, priceless. Actually we are blessed to live here in British Columbia. Napakaganda. Ganda ng weather. Diba? Even though na mahal dito tumira sa part ng Canada. Pero yung premium ng life mo eh. Diba? Walang snow. There's no snow here. Very rare magka-snow dito. Buong Canada yung snow. Nagkakaroon ng snowstorm. But not here. Ganang araw guys. Kaya magin ako namin sila. Ako sila. So what you gonna say about the new bridge and the old one? So
twice as wide. So
Does
the lanes are twice as wide. Same number of lanes, but twice as wide, so a lot safer. There's a shoulder, medium, so
yeah. So you think it's gonna be more like sustainable living for sure?
as much as yeah.
Yeah, amazing. Okay, thanks. guys, so dito na tayo sa pinakaano ng Pattullo. Pure metal eh, oh. Nga guys, show ko sa inyo yung ano, yung metal ano niya, ay mga rivets niya, oh. Puro yan, oh. 1937 built, oh. Ayan, oh, pure yan. Compared dito sa stal asam, medyo cabled na siya. Dito pure metal, oh. Yung pinaka ano niya, pillar niya. So ito yung Richmond area. There you go. Hi, Jody me. Hi. 360. There you go. So yung nasa likod ko yun, yung New West side, New Westminster. Tapos harapan namin, yan, City of Surrey. Diyan kami nakatira sa kabilang side. City of Surrey. Talagang ano to guys, photo op to, diba? Hindi mo na maulit to eh. Either AI IAM mo, lalagay mo yung sarili mo sa old Pattullo Bridge naman, ha? Diba? Ito yung first time natin maglakad, no? Yeah. First time maglakad dito. Walang kotse, talagang open for public, guys, oh. Oh, dito sa side na yung mga classmate niya. Ito sila rito nung araw, di ba? Ganda.
Kasi malaki naman yung ano niya.
Bike lane.
Yeah, bike lane.
Ayan guys, so yun yung Surrey, oh. So diyan kami nakatira sa side na yan, yung mga building na yan. Tapos ito yung Fraser Valley, Fraser River, ayun ang New West. Yun. Ano?
New York?
Alin na?
Brooklyn.
Brooklyn Bridge, no?
Brooklyn Bridge. Ano? Ito yung sky.
Ako na siya kanina. Ayun na, papunta na ng Vancouver, yung train na yan. Yung kanina, nakuna ko, papuntang Surrey. So we're going towards the Surrey. Kanina New West, anak na. Yeah. Ganda ng weather ngayon, nakisama. Si Alan, si Algie kanina nakapag-bike na raw siya rito. Pwede naman pala mag-bike eh, na walang restriction. Pero ang galing anak, no? Ito pala yun, no? Punta na kami Surrey, kaya lang nakapark kami doon sa kabilang side sa New West. Ayan. Ayun na, Surrey yan. Dati hindi rin ma-building yan. Actually, na-develop na rin ang Surrey. Siguro 5 years ago, medyo ano pa eh. Talagang nag-ano ang Surrey. Dumami ang population, tumaas. Ayan o. Diba? Tingnan natin yung kabilang side dito. Ayan. Daming tao guys. Ayan. Ito Delta side yan eh, nako yan. Oh, sorry pa rin, sorry. Hindi na kayo. You know what? This one is nothing because you're going downhill.
Yeah.
So your exercise not like it's okay, right? It's not like intense, no?
Yeah.
Because they pushing you.
Yeah.
Ang ganda rin workout to guys. Kita mo yung ano. Imagine this anak yun during 1937, no? How it looks like. I think it's most farm area here, no? No, yan around this area. It's like more on like carousel, bikes, no? During that time. Carts. Bili mo, liit lang yan, no? Bili mo this one going to Vancouver. This road. Ito, Surrey side yan. Mga memorial din dito kasi dito may na-aksidente na mga teenager na nag-drive ng almost 100 kilometers an hour. I think nag-race sila rito so na out of control dito na-hit yung pole nila. Yan. So parang memorial, ito yung memorial nila rito. Ayan na. Mga teenager na matay dyan. Way back I think 6 months ago, 7 months ago of 2025. Sa inyo Scott Road. Guys, tingnan nyo yung railings, oh. Talagang 89 years old na siya. Talagang old style. Okay. So yun yung Scott Road Station, SkyTrain, no?
Yes.
So ito yung Scott Road. Kita mo yung road yan. Tannery. Further. Saan yung Tannery and Scott Road. Tannery Road. Ha? Ano yan? So, nag-end up kami rito sa Pan Park after ng Pattullo Bridge. Dito lang din yan sa Scott Road area. Daming tao. Parang ito yung pinaka-pit stop nila after walking through Pattullo. And hey guys, bye. Nagluto kami kasi ano yung gagawin nila na Suda Brentwood. Kaya kami ng Korean barbecue sa Brentwood to. Kahit tayo, tayo namin yung pagkain na. Order pa lang kami guys. K-pop hype yan. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. This opportunity.
Yeah, we did. We did. Yeah, I completely forgot. We did go to In-N-Out.
So we got the seafood pancake and what's this kuya?
Lots.
So we're about to eat, guys.
Right away, but
Yeah.
except cheese.
Except
so,
cheese.
Yeah. So
Okay.
once the cheese melts, our step will mix it with the converters.
Lovely. Thank you.
Kain tayo guys. Okay guys, dito